Alright, here we have a brand new York LX series air conditioner that just started up. I think this replaced a Guardian that probably had a leak. Got a Broad Ocean fan motor, LG scroll compressor. It's a 5-ton from 2024. And the suction line is ice cold. Liquid line is pretty warm. And of course this one does have micro channel. I've noticed the lifespan of these things tends to be only about 5 or 6 years. So I imagine this thing will be gone in about that amount of time. Alright, let me go ahead and see if I can get this unit shutting down now.